This is the chilling story of the 1977 Girl Scout murders, a case that has haunted the small town of Locust Grove, Oklahoma for decades. It was a summer night in June when three young girls, Lori, Michelle, and Doris, set off for what was supposed to be an adventure-filled camping trip. Little did they know it would end in tragedy. Buckle up, true crime fans. This story is not for the faint of heart. The serene campsite quickly turned into a scene of horror, forever changing the lives of everyone involved. Three young girls, Lori, Michelle, and Doris, were found brutally murdered in a secluded spot at camp. Their bodies were discovered by a camp counselor, who immediately alerted the authorities. The news sent shockwaves through the community and beyond. The authorities were baffled. Despite their best efforts, they found no clear evidence pointing to a suspect. The crime scene was meticulously examined, but it yielded few clues. The lack of evidence only deepened the mystery. No evidence, no suspects, just whispers of a shadowy figure seen lurking nearby. Some campers reported seeing a mysterious silhouette moving through the woods, but these sightings were fleeting and inconclusive. Investigators dove headfirst into a web of lies and secrets, revealing a disturbing history of similar unsolved incidents. They pored over old case files, hoping to find a connection that could lead them to the killer. The deeper they dug, the more they realized that this was not an isolated incident. There were eerie similarities to other unsolved cases in the area, suggesting a pattern that had gone unnoticed for years. The killer might be someone familiar, someone who knew the area well and could blend in without raising suspicion. This revelation sent chills down the spines of the investigators and the community alike. Someone hiding in plain sight. The idea that the perpetrator could be a trusted member of the community was almost too horrifying to contemplate. The true horror, that someone could still be out there, living among them, watching and waiting. The case remains unsolved, a dark cloud hanging over the town. Might still be out there. Stay tuned because this story is far from over. As new evidence comes to light, the hope for justice remains. The quest to unravel the mystery of the Oklahoma Girl Scout murders continues.